National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Richland Center, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Reedsburg, Wisconsin Dells, Lake Delton, Long Vale, Ironton, and Lime Ridge. People attending Reedsburg Budapest should seek safe shelter immediately. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.